so excited to have our Veterans Assembly here at Albiani. I think this is like our 13th, 14th year to have it. It's a very special day when our students can invite their family members who have served in the military or who are currently serving, and we honor them.
Yeah, I think it's one of the more impressive things I go to done by a school.
I'm a history teacher, and I get to teach the whole school a history lesson on why we have school off on Friday.
So it's super special to me because my grandpa, he served for 3.5 years, and he's going to come, and I get to talk about him, which just makes it really special. I'm going to tell him about when he served, what he did, and just about him and his friends.
And this reminds them of not only the ones that we've lost, but the ones that are fighting currently. And they've learned respect for it. They've learned that when they see a military person, they thank them for their service. And it's just a very inspirational, great thing that the school does. I'm so proud to honor their people that are in the military.
Over down, we will hit the dusty ground, and then